how to add a language to live caption on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. Next, tap on the Settings icon. Now scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Then tap on Hearing Enhancements and then tap on Live Caption. From here, scroll down in the Settings section, tap on Languages. Then tap on Add a Language. From here, scroll down and select a language that you want to add. Then tap on Add Language. And now it is trying to download and install the language. So I'll just leave it for it to download. So here's the languages, captions in 2 languages. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.